Hey y'all, today on the farm you're gonna see some red tractors and combines, which is unusual here on this farm and on this channel. We're gonna harvest some corn and we're finally gonna get some of that much needed rain we've been wanting for so long. The 9600 had a few problems that we couldn't remedy. We worked on it a little while, so my neighbor Big Willie showed up with the red combine. He's getting after it. We're gonna load some side dumps and semi trucks, see what we can get done today. This corn here is going to some deer hunters. I do sell corn direct to deer hunters. They bring their trailers out here. We load them in the field when the corn's as dry as it is now. We don't have to blow no air across it. This corn's below 13%, so we can load it straight on the trailer. They can haul their barns. They can feed the deer all season. Daddy's hauling corn on the 6115 with a trailer behind it. I got this 3/4 ton Chevy with a trailer. And then we got the 4430 with a trailer also. And when we don't have if we have a situation where there's not a side dump available, they're gonna dump on the semi truck. And at the end of the day, if the semi's full, we'd carry it up there to the pit. But we can make a lot of trips really quick with these side dumps. As long as we can keep that big red machine moving, we're just gonna dump on the side dumps. And when, like I said, if we get backed up then he dumps on the big truck. We got that hurricane coming on us 2 days now, day and a half, 2 days now. So look, a little bit of rain. I've seen some lightning, a little bit of rain getting in the area already. That's what got me kind of nervous. All this corn still standing up. We don't need any wind out here. A little bit of rain starting to build up around here, which puts you in a little bit of bind. If it goes to rain and we got corn in these trailers, we get in a tight spot. We got to run up to the top of the bin, close the bin off in the rain and lightning. That can get kind of hairy. But man, I tell you what, I ain't gonna complain about the rain. The peanuts about to dry up out here. The soybeans are dry. Everything's super dry. We ain't had rain in 2-3 weeks. It's been 100 degrees every day. It's hotter than 2 cats fighting in a wool sock on a tin roof out here, y'all. I ain't kidding. It's dry as a bone. We need the rain. I was kind of hoping the rain and weather would hold off till we harvested all this corn, 160 acres of corn out here. But man, we got to have some water. We got to have some rain. So if the rain's gonna pause the corn harvest, let it pause it, because the soybeans and the peanuts is hurting. My grass is hurting. Everything's dry down here in South Georgia. We're starting to get a little bit of a drizzle, and the rain's on the other end of the field. There we can see it. There's the thunder. Fisk up on top of a bin during the lightning and the rain. First, we gotta get the corn out of the field and up here in the bin. Oh, that lightning. There it is, y'all. There's the rain coming. We got this big auger chained off so the wind, well, that chain's a little bit loose. That's tight. We're gonna have to pick up on the hydraulics a little bit, get the chain super tight so the wind can't blow this top heavy auger over. But before we do that, I gotta get down off this bin. Rain is upon us. I thank all y'all for watching. Hope to see you next time. lock